Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing guys how you can automatically match cut beats on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to grab an audio here and I'm just going to add this one for instance. To match cut the audio, you are going to select the mark beats. Okay, it's new I guess. So either select beats 1 or beats 2. There's more beats on beats 2 as you can see if I just zoomed it in. And to match cut it, I suggest like going to those beats and like splitting that and like adding another video here and then going to a beat and splitting that. That's how you can automatically match cut it. To delete, you can press this and delete marker, or you can delete all markers in clip or edit it. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!